What is going on, my friends? We just got another Funko Pop delivery from Entertainment Earth, so you know what? Let's crack it open and let's find out what it is. Let's go. Alright guys, let's open this bad boy up and see what we're adding to the collection. Make sure that it came one piece. I'm really glad that these shipped earlier than they said they were gonna. I want to say the estimated ship date was September, but Cassandra had placed this order and they shipped even earlier than they said, and we're glad because we wanted these for Halloween Horror Nights for our bag. And there they are. It's the Art the Clown keychains, guys. Let me see if I can get it in without a glare. Sorry about the glare. There we go. It's a little bit better. That's the Art the Clown keychains for our bags. We definitely wanted these for Halloween Horror Nights so we could put them on our bags. And I'm, of course, going to have to get another one so that way I could put it on the shelf. But how cool, guys. How cute. Let's open one up so that way we could put it on the bag. Alright, guys, let's take a look at these bad boys. They're actually really cute. It's exactly the same as the regular Art the Clown Funko Pop. But let's open them up. There's the regular size Funko Pop with them. And now opening this one up. Let's see if I can get this little mini one to balance. I'll balance it in front. There we go. Little mini Art now. There he is out of the box. That's very cool. I was hoping that they would make a Funko Pop Art the Clown keychain so that way I could put it on my bag for Halloween Horror Nights. The only other Pocket Pop keychain that I have is the Leatherface Scare Fair one that came out last year for the Scare Fair exclusive. Let me see if I can put it over here so you could actually see it a little bit better. And I have another one that I have on my bag right now, but I was hoping that they would make an Art the Clown. Now I'm definitely going to have to put it on my bag, and Cassandra has a Terrifier bag that she's going to put hers on. Oh, it's so cool. I'm so glad that they made it here before. Alright guys, so this is like the bag I use for like when I go to theme parks, or I don't use it a lot. It's really only for like when I'm walking around theme parks and stuff like that, because you don't want to be carrying a big old backpack. We learned that the hard way the first year. So I usually just have this bag so that way I can carry like my water bottle, hand sanitizer, put my cooling towel on there, some of my camera equipment, and stuff like that. But see, I have the little Leatherface on there, and now I'm going to have to switch it out with the Terrifier. So let's get him swapped out with the Art the Clown for Halloween Horror Nights this year. Alright guys, now he's all swapped out. What do you guys think? A little Art the Clown keychain. I'll have to put Leatherface on the shelf with the other Funko Pops, because he's too cool. I'll put him with the other Leatherface Funko Pop. But now we have the Art the Clown on our bag. Very, very cool. I was waiting for this bad boy. So glad that he showed up before HHN. Digging it. See, and Cassandra has this Terrifier bag that she could put her keychain on. I'll let her do that later. For now, I'll put her keychain on the shelf. Alright, I'll put her pop up here for safekeeping until she gets home so she could put it on her bag. And then as soon as I get an extra, I'll have to keep one up here. I know I'm going to need two. I'll probably take the one off my bag because since I don't really wear it unless I'm going to like theme parks and stuff like that, I'll probably take the one off my bag, the unboxed one, and put it up here with the collection, and then I'll have to get another boxed one. So that way we can keep one in the box, just like the rest. Sorry about the glare. The sun's coming in the window. I don't want to be in the darkness. But it's a cute little Pocket Pop, guys. I'm so glad they made an Art the Clown. That was like my #1 wish for Pocket Pops. Of course, I've been saying it for like months. I'm like, they need to make a keychain. And I'm glad we have it now. There's the little Leatherface. I'm gonna have to put the other Leatherface. Where is he? I'm gonna have to put this other Leatherface somewhere where he could balance or something. Put him somewhere. I don't know. He doesn't really look good up there. Maybe I'll put him next to the other Leatherface up here. If I can get him to balance, I'll do that in a little bit. Alright guys, but let me know what you think. What do you guys think of this Pocket Pop keychain? I'm digging it for sure, of course. I'll have to find me another one, but I'll put Cassandra's up here for safekeeping till she gets out and she can put it on her bag. Alright my friends, thank you for hanging out with me. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, come kick it with us more often. We're just about to head out for Halloween Horror Nights, guys. Oh my goodness, it's going to be awesome. For sure we're going to prioritize the Terrifier house, guys, so hit that subscribe button, come with us. Alright, I really appreciate you hanging out with us, and I will see you guys later.